Small spaces can be very confining and it kind of limits what you can do. But what if I told you that you can make your small space as beautiful as a big one? Designs can be very tricky and it can absolutely transform the look of your space. That's why when designing a small apartment, every item, decor piece or accessory must be functional as well as decorative. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you just stumbled on this channel, yay, welcome to my channel. My name is Chika and I am your personal interior designer, bringing you great tips to help you manage your space. Kindly click the red subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So I'll be sharing with you 7 simple tricks to make your small apartment look big. Bright colored walls. In one of my videos, I talked about how to decorate your home with navy blue, but you don't want to have a navy blue wall in your small apartment because it's too solid and would only make it look smaller. Light bounces off on brighter colors while darker colors absorb the light. White is an easy neutral color and it works perfectly in creating an illusion of more space. Other colors that fall into the neutral category are off-white, light pink, light gray, baby blue, and a lot more others. Next is good lighting. Proper and adequate illumination does not give room for dark corners. Highlighting every angle and spreading the light is very essential, so don't depend on a single source of light. Use lamps and other forms of lighting to brighten it up. You need white light and not warm light or ambient light. You can have those for mood settings or to cozy up, but your primary source of lighting should be natural light or white light. Make use of vertical spaces. This is the best time to use a hanging TV console. Most times the TV consoles we use are just bulky and sit on the floor and take a lot of space. So if you have one of those big things sitting around, please take it out and get a smaller one or use a hanging TV console. Making use of walls and vertical spaces is very important because it gives you room to play with spaces above the head. So you can have a bookshelf or a shoe rack or a small wardrobe right above. So make sure you utilize your vertical spaces properly. Use high leg furniture or furniture with exposed legs. It is best to keep your furniture off the ground. If your sofa or bed is not flat on the floor, it creates an illusion of more space underneath. If possible, make your furniture blend with your wall color. That way both of them won't struggle for the eye's attention. Also make sure to use more contemporary furniture, more glass, more steel, more gold. Avoid heavy wooden stuff at all costs. Window treatment. Window blinds have a way of making an apartment look spacious because it has this minimalist thing. But for a living room, I would recommend curtains because it makes the home look very homely. So if you are using curtains, make sure to hang them as high as possible because it also creates an illusion of more height. Too much contrast will make it obvious that your living room is small, so you don't want to be doing gray walls with red curtains or something that loud. Go for a neutral complementing color instead. I recently started feeling like my bedroom was becoming too small for me, but after taking out the clutter, doing some rearranging, painted the wall white, and added some more white light, it feels very spacious right now. So try to keep out the clutter or clear it as often as possible. It has a way of making your space look bigger. Also, avoid lots of decoration, especially on the wall. Use a single large piece instead of multiple small pieces. And finally, use mirrors. I can't say this enough, neither would I be tired of using mirrors. Aside from the function of seeing your reflection, mirrors are something to have around. Mirrors reflect the entire space, especially big ones, and when that happens, it looks like it visually doubles the size of the space. And when the light is perfect, without measuring, no one will be able to tell the actual size of the space. But for this to be effective, you need a life-size mirror, like a really big mirror. But thankfully, mirrors are not so expensive. Now you can work that magic in your small apartment and stop complaining about your cute little space. But these tips can also be applied in your average size living room or even your large living room. Okay guys, I love to read from you. Drop a comment if you have a trick or two that has worked for you and wasn't mentioned in this video. And then if you like this video, give me a big thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for constantly watching. But don't forget to subscribe. Just right down there, click the red subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.